It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And
May gift-
that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way.
Hindi na aabutin ng Pasko. Aabutin pa.
Hindi ko nga po alam eh. Baka hindi na.
And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, saying there's
Lalo na po yung
nothing to
ngiti
say,
niya.
'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands.
Sa,
She's
Richards.
all that I
ano apelido mo?
see, and she's all
Fulkerson.
It's a masterful melody when she
Possible.
calls out my name.
Party mo?
Baldible to. Baldible! Sa 10 beses.
Yes.
I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise 'cause I love
Aking honey, si
all that
Bo.
I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening.
Sorry! Sorry! Alam
Mas
mo,
bagay naman kayo ng model na yun
Yes,
eh.
she's all that I see, and she's all that I
ikaw lang ang tinitibok nito.
I'm out of my league once again.
Ako to for you. In-effort ko to for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Always welcome.
Love you.
Love you. Mahal din kita.
It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away, and the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair. And she plays with me, sitting there slack jawed and nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes,
Sa
she's
inyo po,
all
baka
that I see,
pagdating po ng
and
Pasko,
she's all
pwede ko na rin po
that I
kayong tawagin
am, and
Nina.
I'm out of my league once again.
Talaga ng joke mo. Tawa ka. Nakakatawa talaga. Grabe siya.
Last na ba?
Sige.
Philippines ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi it's more fun pag kasama kita.
Ay, panindigan mo yan ah.